How's the crew settling in?
Man, we gotta get a new place. That studio shit ain't working at all.
Oh, spent too much time in posh hotels?
I can't help it that the rest of the world treats the Saints right.
Doesn't mean we should get soft.
I hear you. Listen, how about you and me roll around the city and see what Steelport has to offer?
You convince me. Just meet me at the park. I'll pick you up.
Almost had some personal injury cash.
This car could use a little tuning. Let's find the rim jobs and get it cleaned up.
Shoot the shit out of you. Ah!
Shondi's taking this thing with Gat pretty hard.
And we all are.
I know, but you're always pissed off. Our girl's not as crazy as you.
Don't worry. I'll keep an eye on her.
How long were you rolling with Gat anyway?
Long time. He was there when I first joined the Saints.
Shit, what was he like back then?
He mellowed with age. Until Aisha died. Then he was fucking pissed.
Car's got some more style. Now it's our turn. Head to Planet Saints.
I don't know, man. That's like wearing the band's t-shirt to the concert.
Nothing wrong with wanting to look good.
Hey, I always look good.
We need some driving music.
See if you can find something good.
Guess me through. Wake up, Saints here.
This is real nice.
Time to go. What the fuck is that thing?
Something very pissed off.
This guy means business.
You think? He flipped a fucking car!
He on steroids or something?
I'd go with or something.
Time to tip on out of here.
No doubt! That wasn't much of a challenge.
Got some of them?
You got some stuff. That big fucker wasn't normal.
Yo, you think?
I've seen some scary motherfuckers, but the way he was shrugging off bullets?
Something wasn't right. At least he's dead.
I hear that. Eyes on the sky.
It's a simple matter. I'm not hanging out.
These punks never learn.
Learn how to drive, kid.
Let's do some business.
Glad you called. Think I found us a new place.
Pierce, you're supposed to be looking for Loren, not going house hunting.
See, that's the beauty of this place. It's owned by the Morning Star.
All right, I'm listening.
The Morning Star have a penthouse downtown where they're throwing some big party for their global contacts.
And their real estate agent will be there, right?
Real funny. I was gonna say we crash the party, kill the Morning Star, and keep the place for the Saints. Ha!
I'm game. What's the plan?
The Saints will be downstairs until you can unlock the elevator for them to come up.
Whoa, wait. If I can't go up, then how will I... Oh. Right, penthouses.
That's right. Meet me at the airport.
What you thinking? Some asshole is in my pool.
The crew's ready downstairs. Say the word and we crash the party.
Let's do it. All right, you're clear.
I really gotta stop doing this shit. Shondi, I'm in. As soon as I find someone with the elevator code, I'll unlock it.
Just give the word, boss.
What's the code at the freight elevator?
Go to hell!
Oh, I love it when people say that.
Fine, code's 3131. Just watch the jacket.
Damn, Pierce picked a nice place for the crew. Ah, still got it. Nothing some explosives can't handle.
I hope you didn't run.
Get the fuck out of here! Look at all this shit. No way they're giving this up without a fight.
Over there. Come on, damn it!
Ready to crash a party?
We're coming up. Keep the door clear. What's the plan here?
Clean the rest of these bastards out of our new place!
Easy enough? Boss got
still
shit
got it.
cooked up outside.
Stand back! Where are they? Get the head back! Good, man. Fuck him up! Ready to play? You got this?
How's it going, Shondi?
Good news? We've cleared him out. Bad news. The boys are saying this place is rigged to blow.
Well, shit.
Where's that guy in the helicopter going?
I bet he knows how to disarm this place.
Then try not to kill him.
Shondi, you got the place cleaned up yet?
What do I look like, the damn maid?
So that's a no then.
We're sitting on a bomb here and you're making jokes.
Someone needs a nap.
shaking. You got him yet?
Just finished cleaning up. I'll get the codes.
Nope. No codes. Just 4 wires. Red, green, blue, and black.
Yeah, I'll get back to you then. No one beats a saint.
Aiming some. Switching out ammo.
How do I defuse the bomb?
The red wire! Cut the red wire!
Good boy. Shaundi, cut the red one.
Damn. I lost a bet.
The Saints aren't going to back down.
Maddie, there's nothing to worry about.
My thoughts exactly, Mr. Kilbane. The Saints are no more than a white noise of empty threats.
With respect, sir. I'd say empty is no longer applicable.